A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the journey of self through the cosmos, preparation, alignment, and resonance. Ladies and gentlemen, beneath the turning of galaxies and the quiet pulse of every heart lies a single invitation to know the self and to move in harmony with the divine cosmic intelligence that holds all things. This is not the province of any one faith or land. It is a universal path spoken in many languages, yet eternally the same. Each breath, each choice, each movement of awareness can become a gateway to that boundless presence, calling the seeker to walk a road both ancient and ever new. Preparation is the first movement of this journey. It begins with the physical, breath steady, nourishment balanced, rest honored, motion embraced, so that the body becomes a living temple ready to receive and express higher purpose. The mind follows, learning to quiet distraction until thought serves as a clear and faithful guide. Emotions are met with gentleness and courage, transforming joy, longing, and sorrow into quiet strength. Beyond these layers lies the subtle ground of spirit and aspiration, where an inner flame of meaning waits to be kindled. At the heart of preparation is energy, the vitality consciously cultivated. Simple daily acts, measured exercise, mindful breathing, moments of stillness, they generate a living force that nourishes competence and invites timeless virtues of patience, discernment, humility, and courage. From this wellspring, aspiration advances with wisdom and steadiness, not hurried desire. When energy is steady, alignment begins. Alignment is the art of bringing the body, mind, heart, and aim into one direction. Worlds are chosen with care, action arises from clarity, and decisions are shaped by insight. Prayer serves here as a quiet tool of alignment. In a pause before speaking, a deep breath before acting, an offered intention before deciding. Each small movement of stillness tunes the inner compass and allows a subtle guidance to hold the reins while courage directs the path. From alignment flows resonance, the prepared and harmonized self begins to move in rhythm with the wider universe. The inner sun shines outward. Work becomes service. Decisions become silent offerings. Solitude becomes communion. The cosmos ceases to feel distant and answers with clarity, strength, and a deep calm. In this resonance, life itself becomes a shared symphony of purpose. What's the way forward? Cultivating such a journey asks only a steady, uncomplicated practice. Care for the body through balanced living, training the mind with attentive focus and reflective reading, keeping the heart open through compassion and forgiveness, setting aside moments each day where prayer or quiet intention aligns inner and outer life. These small acts, repeated with sincerity, build the energy that leads naturally to alignment and the quiet music of resonance. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when preparation sanctifies the body as a living temple, when alignment unites thought and action, and when resonance joins the self with the greater order, the eternal promise of the revered Bhagavad Gita shines forth in full brilliance. Wherever there is Krishna, Lord of Yoga, and Arjuna, the steadfast archer, there shall always be unshaken prosperity, enduring victory, and the eternal triumph of Dharma. In that meeting of guiding wisdom and courageous action, the journey of the self finds its timeless fulfillment, and the cosmos itself answers with a light that has no end. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.